Well, hello. It's Tom from Tom and Philippine Adventures. We're in town today. This store is over where we used to actually get a steak in there at one time. Not really steak, they called it steak, but it's really just sliced beef. It was actually a pretty good place, but it went out of business. And the new store, I don't know if you can see it right here, DIY. I'll turn the thing around so you guys can see it. DIY, see it? See the balloons down there? I can't tape inside there. It won't let me do any kind of videos inside there. Understandably so. Can't do that anymore in a lot of places. More videos. Well, I can do it out here. So we went in there and I spent probably about $20 buying stuff. It's basically a dollar low price store. They have them all across Korea and China. You know, charger cables, things like that, pots, pans, cheap stuff. So get out of the sun. It's really hot out here. Looks like my old van there. Nice, very nice. So there you go. Got some Christmas music going in the background. Nothing better than having good Christmas music. You know, I'll stand here for a few minutes, let you guys see this. Chit chat. Went to the market today, did a few things. We ate at the market. Had a little rice and a little beef, some vegetables. It was actually pretty good today. That new building over there is owned by a friend of mine, Filipino American, and he owns a couple buildings here. That one behind over there is owned by a bank, and they're fixing it up. And of course you see the land bank over there. Land bank started doing new charges. If you buy something at land bank now, what they do is buy something, you use the ATM card at land bank, they deduct the $250, which is standard, and I get that reimbursed. But they have a new fee. The fee is if you use the bank that's not authorized, in other words, you're not an account holder, you're charged $4.24. So $6 and what is that, 70 something cents, you're charged to withdraw money. So they're trying to recoup the money that they're losing from the dollar being so high, and they're trying to gain that back. So any foreign credit cards are being used. Luckily I have Capital One and I have Wells Fargo, and they just reimburse it. I reimburse back up to $10. So if it gets higher than that, I'll just be giving it in my pocket. So I don't want to do that, right? Nice little business. Right around the corner there is the bus terminal. And this is what's called Town Square. Yeah. Yeah, DIY. So, what else is going on in my life? Oh, same old. I was in town today. I did a live stream this morning, and I did another video talked about why expats are leaving. And the number one thing why expats are leaving, they're leaving because of health. And some of the insurance is not being accepted here now. Even though they say they are, you have to make sure you do your due diligence and that. Go in the hospital itself and say, am I really going to be taken care of by this insurance? The hospitals either not told the insurance carriers, or the insurance carriers didn't pay them during the COVID, or something happened. I have no idea. But something happened. I want to let all my guys know that if you go in the hospital, make sure you have insurance that is actually true and covered, meaning they actually have the insurance there for you. So if you have Aetna or Axe or AXE or Cigna or any of those, make sure you ask straight up, am I going to be covered when I go in here? And not just talk to the front desk. talk to someone in the county department. So you may find that you have to pay it all out of your pocket, and you just lose that money. So, thank you all for watching. I want to thank everybody for always spending their valuable time with me. Everybody have a great, exciting day.